Did you know brushing twice a day isn't enough? Here's 3 ways your toothbrush might be letting plaque slip through. Plaque is soft and sticky, so that means it doesn't need harsh scrubbing to remove. A soft bristle toothbrush with a very gentle pressure and a circular motion is all you need. Don't forget to replace your toothbrush every 3 months or 12 weeks. If your bristles are wearing out before 3 months, simply ease up on the pressure. It means you're most probably brushing a little bit too hard. And unfortunately, over time, that can cause irreversible gum recession and also enamel wear on the teeth. Use a small or compact headed toothbrush as it allows you to reach towards your back molars and even your wisdom teeth if you have them. It also helps in making sure that you're cleaning effectively and reaching those really tight, tricky spaces around your gums, your tongue, and the far areas of your mouth. Always brush morning and evening every single day of the week. That will ensure you'll maintain a healthy smile, healthy gums, and also fresh breath. See our range of toothbrushes in our bio below.